NCLEX are an application for State of New York as a do-your-own process. Now, we have steps to NYSED eligibility application. We have to go to NYSED website and file application for USRN eligibility. See the link below. And the registration processes cost about $143. So we can now secure the form and start our process. First that we have is to make sure that all information are correct as we put our entry or data below. You also need to read it carefully and follow the instructions to avoid mistakes. As a foreign nurses like living in the Philippines, it is advisable to select pathway number 5. After you perform it, all of the forms will follow. For our step number 1, pay application for NCLEX eligibility of around $143 and accomplish the 3 nursing forms. Use credit card for less hassle. For our step 2, we need to accomplish the 3 forms. Nursing Form 1 or the 1F. So the requirements for that is to fill up the form, attach 2 online courses like the infection control course, child abuse course via online website CUFAST. This is a sample of Nursing Form 1 or 1F. Next is to secure online training courses on this website, CUFAST. Like, I do prefer this site, so I paid for $34. The subscription is good for 1 year, so you don't have to worry about it. Just complete the courses with post-test after. So for the infection control, we have 50 items, child abuse, 29 items. These are my certificates in infection control and barrier precautions. We also have child abuse, New York mandated reporter training. Don't forget to upload your documents, your 1F, and your 2 certificates through our NYSED website. For the Nursing Form 2 or the 2F, this includes the school requirements, RLE, academic record, Form 2F from NYSED, transcript of records or TOR. You will bring your 2F to the school registrar and then they will be the one to attach your school requirements. Once it is ready, they will be the one to send it to NYSED via DHL, then they will just message you for an update. And yes, down to our last requirements, we need to have Nursing Form 3F. This is also considered as our PRC requirements. The first one, we have State Board Verification Slip, Form 3F from NYSED, photocopy of PRC ID, of course with signature, and documentary stamp, which is also from the PRC. PRC will be the one to send your documents separately from your school requirements.